everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes guys, a comeback has happened, a beautiful comeback has happened. This is SHINee. This is gonna be my second video of SHINee. I'm so happy because it's the new video. So they had a comeback yesterday and the song name is called Don't Call Me. I am so excited, I don't know in which reaction I said that I was really missing Taemin. I think in the 2020 K-pop nutshell reaction. And though I'll react to Taemin solo, but here at least I can watch him again. I am so stoked. Now of course I don't know all the members yet. I do know the names. Mino, of course I know him now from Hwarang. I can now place him very clearly. Yes, and Taemin of course. So yeah, without dealing this, let's see. I only looked at the concept photos when they dropped the photos on the Instagram, but I did not look at the teaser and anything, so I absolutely do not know what the visuals are, like what the song sounds like or anything. So this is like me going into it completely blind. So yeah, let's react to SHINee Don't Call Me. Oh my god, I'm hyped. I'm literally hyped, guys. I'm literally hyped. Let me just see if the subtitles are on. Yes, they are on. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Oh, yes, Mino. Now I can recognize. Oh, look at him. Oh, that's my boy over there.
I promise to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
If you don't call me, check this out, y'all. Don't call me. I don't want you back. Don't call me.
Oh, don't call me. No, I want to call you.
Say in your life.
Okay. My heart is okay. Taemin starting the song like this. I forget who is Key and who is the fourth member. Onyo? How do you pronounce it? I'm really sorry. I mean, I know I'm gonna make mistakes, but you guys will correct me, I know.
It's your calling. 고집스럽고 지독하지. 그게 바로 너 스티커. 너는 쉽게 포기 못해. 그 성질 버리지 못해. 온종일 내 이름만 서치해. 내 흔적들을 찾아 핥아대. 내 아침을 망치곤 해. 그 패턴은 뻔해. 관심 꺼줄래. I know where you came from. 그대로 나의 shawty. 사라져 줄래 저리. Don't think about calling. 넌 못 버티겠지. 집착꾼이겠지. 나처럼 잘한 사람 없을 거니까. 너도 참 피곤했지. 전부 꾸며 대니 머릿속.
The lyrics are hitting me.
미쳤어 넌. You know you waste my time.
Okay. Oh wow, I'm loving the lyrics. I'm just absolutely loving the lyrics. Why do I feel like this is like for the Sasaangs, huh? It just... Okay.
네가 넌 최악이야. When I hit your call. 끝났어 너의 love. Don't worry now. 사랑하면 보내줘.
If you love me, please let...
Don't worry now.
Why do I feel like this is literally for the Sasaangs, huh? Guys?
계속 말하잖아 next time 넌 outside your life. 네 사랑 난 이제 아니야. 지원해 잊어버려 제발. 난 널 몰라. 손 위에 전화하지 마.
Okay, this is definitely for them, huh? Oh, I mean the lyrics are so obvious, or if it has some other meaning that I'm not able to understand. This chorus part is so powerful. The notes, the chorus part is so powerful.
I hit your call. 끝났어 너의 love. Don't worry now. 사랑하면 보내줘. Don't worry now.
I love the highlight that Taemin has done.
네 사랑 난 이제 아니야. 지원해 잊어버려 제발. 난 널 몰라. 손 위에 전화하지 마.
the song, it's a very heavy song. Not just heavy on beats, but I'm saying heavy on vocals, and it has a little dark undertone to it, which I like. And their expressions are like,
waste my time.
don't waste my time and stuff like that.
When I hate you come.
Oh, I'm loving the chorus. Yes.
So bad.
Oh yes, this chorus is great. Who's he?
I'll never pick.
That's good. They kept absolutely no music in the bridge. That's nice. Because the song itself is so heavy on the beat. The vocals are amazing. You are so awesome. Okay.
For the next call. Sorry, the number you have called has been disconnected. 끝났어, love. I said I don't want it now. 시간이 따면 보내줘. I hate you. 난 찾을 거야, love. My love. 더 아름다운.
I'm gonna find love a more beautiful. Oh my god! Okay, they're literally dissing on the toxic people that are after them. I swear this is like, I mean, it cannot be more direct than this. Huh?
지독했던 너와 나. So bad. 잊을 수 있는. Don't worry now. 계속 말하잖아, next time when
Oh, this chorus.
네 사랑 난 이제 아니야. 지워 날 잊어버려 제발. 난 널 몰라. So 내게 전화하지 마.
Yes! 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 Absolutely yes! A big yes. I am so freaking happy. I don't know how to express my happiness right now. This is only the second song of SHINee, but I already feel so connected to the group. I already feel so connected to them. I don't know, because I think because I realized later that I have seen Mino for the longest time on screen when I was watching Hwarang, and I loved his character there. Then Taemin, of course, the impact that he had on when I watched his solo. Then of course the song Lucifer itself was so catchy, but this, so I think overall I already felt so connected to them. The other two members, of course, I know Key and Onyo, that's how you pronounced it, but I just don't know who's who right now. I don't know that, but I'll figure it out, of course. And I loved the chorus. The song, for me, the lyrics are so hard hitting. Let's talk about various aspects. Firstly, let's talk about the MV overall. Visually stunning, very dark undertones. Their costumes are great. And they look so, I don't know, they look angry. While singing this song, they looked angry. So overall, I really like the visuals. Second, though, you know what, I felt that there should have been some fire or something, you know, that added effect would have been, I don't know, it's just me imagining it. Second, the vocals. Vocals in the chorus, the notes, I don't know that who was pulling that note, which member, I don't know. But the notes in the chorus part was incredible. For me, in the song, the bridge and the chorus, both were beautiful. The ending, the entire ending, how the song ends is absolutely fantastic. It's fantastic. Then coming to the choreography, I really like the choreography. Again, very intense and aggressive. The whole song is very aggressive. And lastly, coming to the lyrics. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I totally feel that this is for, this is like a diss to the Sasan, you know, fans who are obsessed with them, who, you know, bother them, and despite the idols telling them not to bother them, they keep doing it again and again and again. I don't know, it just felt like that to me. I mean, the lyrics couldn't have been more direct, and even if it has some other meaning, I think very powerful lyrics, and I really liked I really like that again. This is from the guy's perspective. I mean, the love obsession, we see that the obsession, of course, is not the stalker behavior is not just from the male side, it comes from the female side as well. I mean, obsession can come from either genders. I mean, that is, obsession is something which is completely gender neutral. So I really like that this is from the guy's perspective. I really like it. So yes, congratulations to SHINee for their comeback. Awesome, absolutely awesome. I'm really happy. I know a couple of you have asked me to react to other SHINee songs. I will. It's just that there's just so much to cover in K-pop, so I'm gonna do it at my own pace, guys. I respect all your requests and I will take them up one by one. I'm just telling you this as again a reminder, not a reminder, as a reminder to myself only. Yeah, I'm very respectful of your request and I will take them up. But yes, as and when it allows me to do so, I cannot do everything at one go. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to SHINee's Don't Call Me. I loved it, absolutely fantastic. Do let me know what are your thoughts on this song. What do you liked, what you disliked about the song. I mean, of course, there could be different opinions as well. For me, the chorus completely stood out. So yeah, guys, that was it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Do share in your thoughts as usual, and yes, do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.